This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by April Bolton. This home features a stunning open floor plan built in 2024, offering 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms. Situated on a generous 1.08-acre lot, this property has been meticulously maintained by its single occupant and includes the remainder of the original Clayton Homes manufacturer's warranty. The interior radiates a showroom-quality aesthetic, highlighted by a gourmet kitchen equipped with Frigidaire stainless steel appliances, 36 inches stainless steel range hood, built-in coffee bar, LED recess can lights throughout, lighted walk-in closets, energy-efficient Carrier HVAC, Thermostat, Rheem water heater, low-E windows, Energy Star construction. Bring your furniture and grill to your new home while enjoying country living in style. Bring all offers. For more information,